Hi, very good evening to all of you. I hope you people are doing good and I'm completely audible to you. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, yes, just a moment. Just a moment. So, actually, today we are going to discuss about the pros and cons and the paper pattern that we will be facing in the our CBSE exams, right, of class 10th. And I will be discussing with you the pattern and how actually we need to approach for the paper and what are the basic things that we need to know about doing these paper, right? Okay, so let me share my screen and I will first of all show you the sample paper, one of the sample paper that we will be discussing here. Okay, see, let me share my screen. Yeah, here it is. So everyone is familiar with it that how this paper is going to be asked, right? I hope my screen is visible. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so you can see that there are 5 sections in this paper, right? Okay, so now the matter of fact is that which section should we adopt for the first, right? Is it the section A, that's the MCQs, or the section B, that are the 2 markers, or the section C, that are the 3 markers, or okay, yes, Shankar, yeah, uh, okay, fine, and or the section D, that are the 5 markers, and the section E, that's the passage. See, first of all, let me tell you one thing. It all depends upon your taste, how you go for the. See, it's not the thing that you will go for. Sometimes a person will go for E, then D, then C, then B, then E. Okay, and sometimes a person can go A, B, C, D, E, like that. So it all depends upon how you are prepared for the exams and how you will move. But let me tell you one simple thing here. Let me tell you one simple thing here. Since you know these MCQs, the 20 markers, this carry 1 marks. Yeah, this carry 1 marks each. You know that. Like we have here, the some questions which are here. These carry 1 marks each. See, I can say this is like a win-win situation for you people. Suppose sometimes at the end, when the time is not allowed or when the time is not permitted for you people, what you do then, if you start with sometimes with the section A, and when you reach to the section E, sometimes there is some possibility that the hindrance is there, that the time should be very minimal for you people. And what you do, and there is a possibility that you should make a mistake in this case. Now, since this E marker, since this section E carries 4 marks each, okay, since this section carries 4 marks each, now if there is a symbol kind of a mistake for us, if you write the correct, like you have wrote the correct formula or that, you will get 1 mark, 2 mark, okay, but you have lost the major portion of the marks. That is, you can lose 3 marks, you can lose 4 marks, or even though you can lose 1 mark. And sometimes when a person is not able to reach the question, he can lose all the 4 marks. So, or same is the case for this 5 marker as well, isn't it? So what is my opinion? See, it depends upon the person, how you are actually going, how you are actually proceeding for the paper. In my opinion, if you take the advice of any of the person, any expert, so it is permissible, it is advisable just to go with the 5 markers, okay, because in the starting, in the beginning, your passion is high, your obviously writing style will be different, and obviously you will be writing in the good style, so that this will make an impact on the this examiner. Okay, so I suggest to you people, what you will do, start with the section B or section E, right? Depends upon your taste, and it also depends upon the question. Let us suppose I will tell you one of the question which has a lot of calculations in it. Uh we can say yes, you people can suggest which chapter involves, which question involves the more this calculation? Yes, yes, everyone. Come on, you can let me know. Yeah, very nice. Statistics. Yeah, surface area and volume. Yes, Om. Very good. Surface area and volume. And in most of the cases, it is the statistics, isn't it? And you can see the huge number of the calculation for the statistics. Usually, you are asked to find the mean, isn't it? Usually, you are asked to find the median, like that. Okay, so that involves huge number of the calculations. So, what is advisable for you people as well? Go for that question as well. As I have seen your papers, your mock tests, so you people, we can say there were good ample number of the students which have done good in the papers, but there are few peoples which I can see that they are a little bit confused how to start with, and sometimes they have done the silly mistakes like that. For example, there is a question like, this is a triangle, and there is a parallel line like this, and this divides into two equal parts like that, and you are going to find the coordinates of this thing. Okay, so this involves the calculation of this thing, and this involves the numerical value at the end, isn't it? Isn't it? But same question is here, it is in the or form. It is in the or form. So we can see if the question is in the or form, that you have to prove this is equal to this. So what is the possibility of getting the correct marks? Suppose in this case, let us suppose you will get some numerical answer. If you don't know the question, if you don't know the answer, sometimes most of the person, they remember the answer. No, this question has got this answer and I have done it correct. Sometimes a person who is not sure on himself, that whether I have done it correct or not, whether I will be doing it correct or not. So what is permissible for him or her? Just do this proving question, because when you are doing this proving question, that prove this is equal to this, prove a is equal to this, prove a square is equal to something like that, what will happen when the answer will be there, that you have proved this thing is equal to this, that stuff. Okay, so you squared your marks. Your marks are secured, because the thing that is asked to you, you have done the job. But in numerical type of the questions, what is there, you are not sure whether the numerical value that I have got, is it correct or not. Fine, that's also advisable for you people, that you can proceed for that thing. Is this clear? Is this okay? Yes, people, is this okay? Come on, let me know, is this okay? Okay. Okay, fine. Any doubts? Any doubts till here? I will not proceed till, first of all, any doubts. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask. Sometimes, and one more advice for those persons who are, because we have seen so many persons. We have seen so many persons. Yes, proving part isn't easy. Yes, you are. I'm just saying proving part isn't easy. It all depends upon if this and this question you are having hold on it. But sometimes a person is having, he doesn't know the numerical solution, whether I will get it or not. Okay, I'm saying if you know the proving part, then you can approach for that. Obviously when you are given that the question which you have complete hold on that, obviously you will go for that. I am just giving you the advice. If like the situation arises, you know, you have given a choice, you are having the numerical part, you are getting it tough to prove, and you are having the proving part as well. Some, in that case, you can get an edge in the proving part. Okay, you can get the edge in the proving part. No, this thing is that I will get this answer for sure, or if it's not there, that is the surety that I have done it wrong. Fine, this is the thing that I am trying to say. One more thing, this is the advice for those persons who are actually getting nervous during the exams. How many of you are getting nervous during the exam? This is a simple advice to them. I have applied this thing for those of my students who are actually getting nervous during the exams when they see the question paper. Oh my God, this is that I don't know. This is the question that I don't know, or this is the question which I don't know how to do. Yes, you can let me know. Yes, how many persons who get nervous in the examination section after seeing the questions, when they get to know that these questions are not done by me, or I have not read this thing, I will give you a simple advice. See, this is a simple advice. You can let me know. Come on, tell me. Is there anyone who is facing such kind of issue that in the examination section, that most of the times I am facing an issue that when the question I see, yes, uh, see, this is a simple advice for in that case, it is a simple advice. What is the advice for that thing? See, although this is not applicable to everyone, I'm just giving for the just, we can't generalize this thing. But see, what we can do in that case, this is my personal opinion. This is my personal opinion that we can do in that case. If the question paper is given to you, just start with the first question. Don't look for the question paper two. This is my personal opinion for those only who are facing some kind of difficulty when they see the question paper and they are not able to get it, right? And they see that any question and they get nervous. And with that nervousness, the whole paper gets disturbed and they start doing the silly mistakes. Is it okay that, have you seen such conditions that the most of the persons, they are, when they face such a question that they are not able to do and they start getting nervous, oh my god, I don't know this question, and after that they start doing the silly mistakes. Have you observed? Yes. Have you observed? Yes. So what is advisable in that case? What is advisable in that case? This is my opinion. It can vary from person to person. It can vary. My suggestion in that case is, when the paper is given to you, just start with the question number one. Don't look for the question. Don't look for the whole question paper. Why? Because when you look for the whole question paper and you obviously see, this is the question which I don't know, this is the question which I don't know, there's the thoughts start coming up in your mind and you start doing the silly mistake. So this is my personal opinion. In that case, if you know that I'm getting nervous after seeing the question paper, that I am not able to get it, just start with the first question without looking at the whole question paper. The question which is in front of you, start doing that. Okay, this is the advice for those who get nervous mostly and start doing the silly mistakes during the. Yes, Sarang. Yes, Sarang. So just do one thing. This is an advice to you, Sarang. Do one thing, do one thing, do one thing. Start doing one of the mock tests. Start doing one of the sample paper without looking at the whole question paper, and just see if I'm getting any better results or not. Okay, without looking at the whole question paper, just see if I'm getting the whole question paper, if I will be able to do the whole question paper without looking at the whole question paper and starting from the question A, B, C, D, 1, 2, that's it. That will help, because you are not getting the pressurized, no, question number 12 I don't know it, or question number 13 I don't know it, right? So that can help. Any questions? Any questions before going for the this sample paper? Is there any question that you want me to ask? Yes, I'm here. Sarang, Om, yes, everyone else. Yeah. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, that means we'll proceed, right? Okay. See, I have given here questions. I have given you questions. So I have given you the procedure, how to go for, how to proceed for it. Okay. Now we'll start with the question number one. I will start with the A section only. Okay. It can, as I told, it can vary since we have to do questions only. Okay. So it's up to you how you will go. Okay. Let's start. I have given these objectives here. See, ABC is a right triangle. Okay. Come on, tell me. ABC is a right triangle. First of all, ABC is a right triangle. It is right angled at A. Okay. It's right angled at A, and AD is perpendicular to BC, right? This is right angled at A and AD is perpendicular to BC. Fine. You can draw the triangle like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. This is right triangle. And AD, it is AD which is perpendicular to BC. This is AD. Right. And in fact, you can get two similar triangles. In fact, you can get the similar triangles from here. See, first of all, can I say that ABD, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC? Yes, this can be done because that's also 90 degree at A. Okay. Also, I can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC, isn't it? Because this is also a 90 degree. Okay, now I need to find BD divided by DC, BD over DC. Okay, see how this is done. If this is the case that ABD is similar to triangle ABC, can I say AB over BC is equal to AB over is equal to BD over AB? Just check it out. AB over BC. AB over BC of this triangle. Okay. BC of the greater triangle, that is ABC, and AB of the smaller triangle, ABD. Okay. Is equal to BD of the smaller triangle, and AD of the greater triangle. So I can see here it is AB. Okay. AB square is equal to BD cross BC. Okay. This I got from here. Okay, now if we go for this triangle, ABC is similar to triangle ADC. That means this whole triangle, and I am taking this triangle now, right? Okay, come on, tell me. That means we can directly apply that DC cross BC is equal to AAC whole square, right? After going for the similarity property. Now divide these two because I need BD over DC, BD over DC, BC and BC will be cancelled. So BD cross BC divided by DC cross BC is equal to AB over AC whole square. This and this gets cancelled. So BD over DC is equal to AB over AC whole square. So this is option number 2. Simple. Okay. This is the one thing. Okay. Now listen. Just go for the second question. See, I will show you a simple shortcut for the second question. If you have any quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And if it is roots, yes, come on, tell me, what will be the option of this question? What will be the option of this question? Then you have to find the roots of 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. You have an equation x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. I will tell you one thing. This is a simple shortcut for you people. You can apply this for the MCQs. If its roots are alpha comma beta, then the equation with the roots 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, that means it's reciprocal. That means it's reciprocal. Listen. That means it's reciprocal. I will go for its reciprocal. If this is the equation and the equation with it is reciprocal 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, that means I have to do the reciprocal of the roots. Remember, you have to replace the c and a. Okay, you have to replace the c and a. This is cx square plus bx plus a. This is a shortcut. Example, for example, I will give an example. Let us suppose, for example, I will tell you, if this is the equation 3x square plus x square minus 5x plus 6, its roots are alpha is 2, beta is 3. What will be the equation whose roots are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? That means it's reciprocal, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. The equation whose roots are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, that is, it is reciprocal. Go for replace a and c, that is 6x square minus 5x plus 1. That's it. Got it? Okay. No need to find alpha plus beta. No need to find 1 by alpha plus beta, 1 by beta. So what will be its equation? It will be 2x square plus 6x minus 1. Okay. Oh, plus 1 is equal to 0. So the sum of the roots, since the roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, sum of the roots will be 6 by, minus b by a. That's equal to minus 3, which is the correct option. That's option number A. Got it? Is that thing clear? Got this method? You people got this method? Yes or no? Come on, tell me. Okay. Yes. I will repeat. See, see, you can do it by your usual method as well, finding alpha, finding beta, sum of the roots, product of the roots, that's it. But I have done it with the simpler way. Simpler way means I have applied one of the simpler property of the this quadratic equation. This can help you. If this is your quadratic equation, its roots are alpha and beta, right? What is the quadratic equation whose roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta? Okay, you have to replace this a and c. This is cx square plus bx plus a, okay, is equal to 0. Now in my equation, what were the roots? It were x square plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Its roots were 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. Now what is the equation whose roots will be 1 by alpha, 1 by beta? Its roots will be, this will be 2x square plus 6x plus 1. I have replaced this one and a and c. So its roots are sum of the roots, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. We know the sum of roots is given by minus b by a. What is here minus b? That is 6 over 2, that is equal to negative. Is that thing clear now? AVO Tech. Got it? Got it? Great. Fine. Shall I proceed? Okay. Simple. The pair of equation has infinitely many solutions. What you will do? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. So you can see A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That can be easily seen, isn't it? A1 by A2, that's 5 by 3. This is 5 by 3. This is 8. See, this is 8 over 24 over 5. This 5 will be over. This will be 40 over 24. How much that is? How much is that? 8 5 is 40. Yes. 8 3 is 24. That's also 5 by 3. So infinity many solutions. Is that clear? Is that clear? See, the larger supplementary angle. So I have to take two angles. And the larger supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by the 18. Okay. What you have to do? The smaller angle is, what is the smaller angle? You have to find what is the smaller angle. Easy. Very easy. Come on, tell me. So supplementary means their sum should be 180. So x plus y should be equal to 180. Okay. 180. Fine. And there is, see, difference will be 18, isn't it? X minus y will be 18. Fine. Now add both of these. 2x will be equal to, yes, how much it is? Wait. You have to add these two, right? Or you can do one thing. So 2x is equal to, you can find the value of x. How much it is? Yeah, can you find it? Can you find it? Yeah, good. You have given a and b. It is 81 and, okay, 81 is the correct option. So when you will find the x, you will find the y. Which one is the smaller? You have to take the smaller one. So that's it, right? No. 99 is not the answer. You have to take the smaller one. You have to take the small. Sarang, you will get two answers. The smaller angle is to be given. Smaller angle is to be given. You have to find the smaller one. See, when I will add them, I will show it. I will get 198. So x is equal to 99. So when I put it here, y will be equal to 81. So what is the smaller among them? Which is the smaller among them? So that's 81. Fine, simple, easy. Okay. Now let's proceed for the next question. Find the given value. See, find the value of a given x. You have to find the value of x. How to find it? Come on, tell me how to find it. Easy. Again, an easy question. See, first of all, I can use here the internal bisector theorem, that the internal bisector theorem of an angle is equal to divides the opposite sides in the same proportion in which the angle is contained, right? If I can show that this line is bisecting it, it can be easily seen. So 25 plus, let us suppose I will take this angle 1 plus angle 1 plus 130 is equal to 180, right? What is 130 plus 70? What is 130 plus 25? So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus, yes, how much it is? 165? Is that so? So angle 1 is equal to 25. So this is also equal to 25. So as we know, AD. See, you don't, and one more thing I have seen in your paper, that you people are doing the solution of this thing as well. You don't need to do the solution of this thing. You just need to write, suppose it is question number 6. It contains, or question number 5. It has the answer A or B, whatever it has, you have to only write this thing. Or you can write here, what is the answer that you are having A there. You can find it there. Okay. But don't write the complete solution. Fine. Don't write the complete solution, because I have seen you, so many number of the people, they are writing the complete solution for these 1 markers as well. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, just write this thing. So as I see that the AD is dividing the opposite sides, and also write the theorem as well. Suppose I will suppose this, if this would be 2 marker question, what I will do, since I will write here, since the internal bisector, okay, this all thing has to be written. Internal bisector of an angle to the opposite sides, the ratio is equal to the sides, okay, containing the angle. Okay, this has to be written if it will be a 2 marker question. If it will be a 2 marker question, so it divides it into 2 parts. So you can see BD over DC is equal to, what is AD? The 2 sides which are containing angle A, that is AB over AC. AD is X, this is 6, this is 15, and this is 9. Find the value of X. Okay, you can get the value of X. This is 2, this is 3. Fine. This is 2, this is 3, 3, 1, 3, 5. This is 10. This is answer. Simple. Is that thing clear? Any confusion? Yeah. Any confusion? Yes, Navneet. Correct. Good. Fine. Will we proceed? This is the next question. The probability of getting the correct answer of a certain test is x by 12. If the probability of getting not correct, so you know the sum of the 2 probabilities is always equal to 1. So x by 12 plus 2 by 3 is always equal to 1. Proceed for that, you will get the answer. Isn't it? Because this is the success, this is the failure. When 2 are there, the sum of the probabilities is always equal to 1, right? Okay, so you can do it. So x by 12 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, that's equal to 1 by 3. So x will be equal to 12 upon 3, that is equal to 4. Yes, this is the correct. Simple. Now how to do this thing? This is cos 1 plus cos theta. This is sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, now you have to show that yeah. So what I will do, I will make this equal to the sine theta. How? I will make this 1 minus cos square theta. This is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Multiply it. Okay. This will be equal to sine theta 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta, because this is a square plus b square, a minus b, a plus b. This is sine theta 1 minus cos theta. This is equal to root of sine square theta. This and this will cancel this, and I think one of the root will cancel, right? Wait. Isn't this 1 by sine square theta? Wait. This is not root, sorry. This is sine square theta. One of this will be cancelled. So this is 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta. Any option? Yes, option number C. Fine. And this is the simple property of the this statistics which has been asked, that if any number is added to the observations, that the number is directly observable, added to the mean as well. So the option is this, correct, simple. Fine. Is that thing clear? Yes. Come on, tell me. I'm just watching your is always equal. Yeah. Yes, people. Okay. Fine. Nice. Now the next question. See, two triangles are there. If angle B is C, angle F is this, angle AB is equal to 3 times AD, then two triangles are C. We can't say they are congruent. We can't say they are congruent, but by AA property, they can be said similar. Okay, they can be said similar, but not congruent. Okay, this is the one more question, 10th question. This is a rational, this is an irrational, and sum of the rational and irrational number, this will be an irrational. Simple. What is the discriminant of this thing? 4x square minus 6x plus 3. Okay, this is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. As you know, that is minus 6. That is 6 whole square. Yeah, this is 6 whole square minus 4ac. Yes, this is 36 minus, yes. How much this will be? This is 4 is 16, 16, and this is 48. That is equal to negative 12. Yes, this is the correct. Fine. Now, okay, next question. Next question is for the distance formula. See, how to find the distance formula. Suppose you have one point x1, y1, you have another point x2, y2. How to find the distance between these two? This is root of, yeah, what is the distance between these two? Yes, come on, tell me in the chat. What is the distance between these two? 48. For which you are saying the 48? Okay, previous one. What is the distance between any 2 points? Yes, x2 minus x1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus, yes, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is exactly the distance between 2 points, and the 2 points here given are, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. So this will be equal to under root of cos of theta minus sine of theta whole square plus minus sine of theta minus cos of theta whole square, right? Because you can take this x1, y1, you can take this x2, y2, right? Okay, this is the thing, how it has to be done. Now go for the formula. This is under root of cos square theta plus sine square theta, that is equal to 1 minus 2 cos theta sine theta. Cos theta sine theta. Same is the case here. For plus, this will be sine square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to, yes, come on, tell me, it will be plus or minus. It will be plus or minus. This is both are negative. This will be plus or minus. Come on, tell me. Tell me in the chat. Tell me in the chat. It will be plus or minus here. Yes, it will be positive. Why? Because when both are negative, I can take it out. So it will be positive 2 sine theta cos theta, right? No, 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 no. No, it will not be negative. You are wrong here. You are wrong here. It will not be negative. It will not be negative. It will be positive. Okay. Now see, what will happen? See, this and this will go. This is 1, this is 1, this will be under root of 1 plus 1, that is root. This is the answer. Simple. Fine. Is that clear? Now, this is the simple question of your statistics. Simple question of your statistics. And you have to apply, yes, find the value of x bar. You know, x bar is equal to a plus summation fiui divided by summation fi into h. Okay, apply the values. So this will be equal to, what is a? This is 225. Okay, plus what is fiui? That is negative 7 over 25 into 50. Okay, this is just the question which is in which you have to apply the formula, nothing else. Okay, this is 225 minus 40, right? That is 211. This is the option. Fine. Now the next question. Easy, easy. This is cot. Can I write it as cos square theta divided by sine square theta? Okay, minus 1 divided by sine square theta. Easy. So this can be written as cos square theta minus 1 divided by sine square theta. Okay. Now this is equal to, remember here most of the people are doing the mistake. They write this as sine square theta. No, remember 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. Remember this. So what you have to do, you have to take the negative common here. So this will be negative sine square theta divided by sine square theta. This and this will go. This is negative. Yes, this is option. Fine. Okay. Next question. The ladder is again the ladder is 12 meter long and the vertical top and makes the angle 45 degree with the wall. What is the height of the wall? Simple question. Yes, it is given that you have a ladder. See, let us suppose you have a ladder like this. Okay, this is 12 meter long. That means your this is 12. Okay, it makes 45 degree here. Okay, this is 90 degree. What you have to find? You have to find this height of a wall. Let us suppose I will take it A, B, C, right? And this is 45. If you can see, which trigonometric ratio should I use to find the height, which gives you the relationship between the hypotenuse and the perpendicular? Tell me. Should I use tan? Should I use tan? Should I use cos? Should I use sine? Yes. Very nice. You use sine 45. That is equal to, yes, that thing is equal to sine 45 is equal to, that is AB, that is AB upon this thing, that is 12, right? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. This is equal to AB upon 12. Fine. And this can be written as 12 divided by root of 2. This is equal to AB. After rationalization, you can directly get 6 root. Simple. Yes, this is the option. Okay. Now see, this is one more question. Easy question. You have nothing to do with here. Just apply the property of the circles. If the circle is there and the tangent is drawn from the exterior point of this, that means these are equal. Okay. That means the tangents are equal. So PA and PAB are the two equal tangents drawn from the exterior point P, and the radius is given as 4 centimeter. The radius here is given as 4 centimeter, right? If PA is perpendicular to PB, okay, PA is perpendicular to PB. How can you explain this thing? PA, this is P. PA is perpendicular to PB. That means this is 90 degree. Obviously, this will be also 90 degree. This will be also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Now listen. Obviously, this is a square or a rectangle, isn't it? This will be a square or a rectangle. But since adjacent sides are equal, so this will be a square. Simple. Nothing to do. Since it is 4, all the angles are 4. Simple. Done. Done. Come on, let me know. 1 by root 2. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Any confusions? Any confusions? Any question till here? Come on, tell me. Any questions? Okay, okay. Shall we proceed to the next? Listen, it is given that these two triangles are there. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. AB by DE, then they will be similar. When? Simple. Let's draw the triangles. See, these two questions, these are ABC, DEF. Okay. So it is given that AB over DE, isn't it? It is BC over FD. BC over FD. So what needs to be done? So I need to change it. I need to change it. This is D, this is E, this is F. Okay. That BC is equal to FD, right? Okay. Now, in order to make them similar by side angle side, so angle B should be equal to angle D. Simple. That's the option. Okay. Fine. Okay. Next, x equal to 3 is the solution of this equation, right? What's the value of k? Come on, tell me. What's the value of k? Is equal to solution of this equation. Solution means that at the value x equal to 3, this will be right hand side, or you can say right hand side will be equal to the left hand side. So put the value of x as 3. So this is 3 square plus k minus 1. Okay. So this will be 3 plus 9. This should be equal to 0, right? So this is 27 plus, yes, this will be 3k minus 3 plus 9 is equal to 0. So 3k will be equal to, yes, 3k will be equal to 27 plus this, that is 36. 36 minus 3, that is 33. Okay, but that is negative 33. So k will be equal to negative 33 divided by 3, that is equal to negative 11. Okay, fine. Very nice one. Very nice. Every one of you doing very good. Okay. Shall we proceed? Now we have two assertion questions. I will ask, I just need the solution from you people how to get it. See, 2 minus 3, 2 minus root 3 is the one of the zero of a quadratic equation. That means it is alpha root. What will be the another root? What will be the another root? Remember, if 2 minus root alpha, root something, this is the irrational root. You might have seen the property of the quadratic equation. If there are irrational root, then these things occur in the pairs, that is 2 plus root 3. Because you know it is equal to x plus minus root of d divided by 2a. That means one will be x plus root d divided by 2a, another will be, minus b. Okay, other will be minus b plus this, and other will be minus b minus d divided by 2a. So it is of the form of 2 plus this and 2 minus this. Got it? So that means the assertion, that's the first assertion, that's correct. What is the reason? What is the reason of this first assertion to be correct? That the irrational zeros, roots are always in the pairs. Isn't it correct? Isn't it? So assertion and reason both are correct. Statement and the reason are correct explanation for the assertion. So this one is correct. Next, two identical solid cubes, 5 centimeter, are joined end to end. Suppose this is a cube and this is one more cube, and they are joined end to end. End to end means, what do you mean by end to end? That means I am joining this end and this end. That means it will become like this. It will no longer be a cube. It will turn out to be a cuboid like this. Fine. Its height will be same 5. Its breadth will be same 5, but its length will be 10 now because I am joining them, right? So it is saying that the total surface area is 300. Fine. Is the total surface area 300? The total surface area of a cuboid is length breadth. Obviously, this is a cuboid, so this one is true. But the resulting cuboid, what you are getting, is it 300? Is the total surface area of this thing as 300? Can you check it? Yes, please. Check it now. It's not 300. Check it now. Is it 300? It's 250. Good, correct. So that means this is wrong. So how can you apply? See, both A and R are true. That means this option is not there. Both A and R are true, but R is not. No, this is not there. A is true. This is also not there. A is false, which I got, and R is true. So this is the option. Fine. Fine. Okay. Now, see, this is your whole question paper. Okay. As I told you, I was asking in the beginning that you can do it by this way, but we will do it now by question for these long answer. These are the two short answers, a short answer type question which carry 2 marks each. See, you have to do this by quadratic equation. Find the roots of this quadratic equation by factorization. By factorization, you mean to say? Yes, come on, tell me. By factorization, what do you mean? By splitting the middle term. Okay, how can I split the middle term? See, how can I split the middle term? Remember, when product of 2 is less than 0, that means A is here 1, B is here -1, that is -10. That the two numbers which are chosen here for the splitting of B, you should get B by subtraction. Okay, you should get B by subtraction. Remember, because the product is negative. And one should be greater, one should be smaller. The greater one will be getting the positive negative sign, and the greater smaller one will get the positive sign, right? I will tell you one more thing. If A into C is greater than 0, that means it's positive. Let us suppose I will give you example 5x plus 6. What is A into C? That is 6. That is positive. This 5, when I will split the 5, I will do it by adding two numbers. That is 2 plus 3, right? But here I got is a negative. I will do two numbers by subtracting these two. That means I should need 5 minus 2, isn't it? But one should be positive. One is greater, another is the smaller. Greater sign will get the number which is greater will get the sign of B. The sign of B is negative, so this will get positive. I have got this by subtraction, and I have got this by addition. This all depends upon the AC. If it is positive, adding two things. If it is negative, subtracting two things. So I will write here x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x I will take common, x minus 5. X I will take common as 2. So it's here x minus 5, x plus 2. This is the answer. So x is equal to 5 comma negative, right? Any confusion? Any confusion? Do you want me to repeat this thing? Do you want me to repeat this thing? This AC part, when it is negative, this is positive. Do you want me to repeat this thing? Sarang, Om. Yes, everyone else. Anyone wants me to repeat this thing? Okay. Suppose this is the question, simple. In which ratio? Okay. So this is the ratio given. So most of the people are confused, sir, why we are taking k is to 1. Okay. Why we are taking the ratio as a k is to 1. Why? Because every time it is not in the form of k is to 1. Because if you get the k as a fraction, let us suppose 2 by 3, 5 by 7, something like that. You can write 5 by 7 is to 1. That will be 5 is to 7. Right? Okay, so always take the ratio in the form of keys to. Okay, so it is dividing this. What is the formula for the internal this? Come on, tell me. What is the formula for the internal division? Mx2. Yes, mx2 plus n x1 divided by m plus 1, comma, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus. One more thing I want to tell you here, you people here. See, as I told you that I was checking the your question papers as well. Most of that, though, for those guys who are with us in the askiitians. Okay, I have seen this very common mistake that what you people are doing, you are not elaborating the things or you are not applying the formula. Okay, so do one thing. First of all, show which formula you are trying to use there. Okay, that will make the more this weightage on your answer. Okay, so let us suppose it is negative 4 comma 6. Okay, so this will be equal to, since the coordinates are given, and this is m, this is n, this is your x1 y1, and this is your x2 y2, right? Apply the formula, apply the terms, you will get the answer. So this is 3 times k minus 6, because 1 times this divided by k plus 1. Okay, this will be equal to m is k and y2 is equal to, what is y2? Yes, what is y2? That is negative 8. Okay, plus 10 divided by k plus 1. Equate any one of them. You can do both, you can do any one of them. That is negative 4 is equal to 3k minus 6 divided by k plus 1. Okay, uh, what you will be getting? You will be getting negative 4k minus 4 is equal to 3k minus 6. Okay, so after equating the things, you will get 7k is equal to, yes, turn it on that side, this will be equal to 2, or k is equal to 2 upon 7. Okay, since the ratio was k is to 1, as I told you in the beginning, it is 2 upon 7 is to 1, so the ratio is 2 is to 7. Got it? Any confusion? No, 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 no. You were wrong. You were wrong. It's 2 is to 7. Yes. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Any confusion? Any person wants? Yeah. Okay. See, first of all, see, this is the next question. Two numbers have the HCF 15 or 170, 175. You can directly say if it divides it, then it will be its HCF for all. See, is 175 divisible by 15? It's equal to 11 point something. No. Okay. Can two numbers have 15 as their HCF and 175 as their LCM? No. Why? Because HCF and LCM, you should divide each other. The LCM of two numbers should be divisible by their HCF, but it is not here, so it is not possible, right? So you can write the reason. See, reason is must because it is asked for the reason. What you will write the reason? Since the LCM of two numbers, that is 175, is not divisible by their HCF, right? Okay, that means that the two numbers cannot have their HCF as 15 and LCM as their 175. Should I write it here or not? Should I write it here or not? Yes, HCF is not a factor. Yes, there can be, will there be direct questions like this in the CBSE? No, obviously this will not be the direct question, but we are giving you the sample papers, right? You can say that this is a pattern. Okay, for, see, I have already showed the pattern in the beginning. These are the two markers. Okay, see, this is the pattern, question paper pattern. For first 20 questions, that means it is one marker. Okay, then 5 questions, that is 21 to 25, it's 2 markers. Okay, after that it is 6 markers, 6 questions, that is 26 to 32. They are 6 markers. Oh, sorry, 3 markers. After that, 32 to 4 questions. Okay, they are the 5 markers, 4 questions here. See, and this is the passage based. See, you can't say that these are the formula based only. These are the formula based only. As you can see, as you can see, I have done these questions. This contains the factorization. This contains this form, and here it is not any formula based. I have just used the concept of SCM LCM here. So it's not that this will be the formula based only. No, that's not the correct thing. Okay. Now here it is 2 questions. You have to go for the or of these two. Okay, you will get the internal choice of the few questions as well in the section 2. Now, how to go for this? How to go for this? Easy. Suppose this question is here, very easy. We will go for the question number first, and it involves the root. Obviously, it says that we have to go for the rationalization. So it is root of 1 minus cos of a divided by 1 plus cos of a. Multiply it by 1 minus cos of a divided by 1 minus cos of a, because I got for the rationalization. This is 1 minus cos of a whole square divided by 1 minus, this is a plus b, a minus b, this will be 1 minus cos square a. And its root here, this is equal to 1 minus cos of a whole square divided by sine square a. This is root sine square, this and this cancel. This is 1 divided by sine of a minus cos a divided by sine of a. This is equal to 1 by sine. What is 1 by sine? 1 by sine is your cosec. Cosec a minus cot a. True. Now, oh sorry, cot. Yes. Now, what is the pattern to write this in the examination? Okay, I have just given you the solution. What is the pattern to write this in the examination? See, you will start with by saying that first of all, let us suppose I will write the question. This is the left hand side. Okay, this is the left hand side. I took this, and after first you take the question, that is root of 1 minus cos of a divided by 1 plus cos of a. Okay, if possible, if you want to make it more this understandable, right here rationalizing. Which part you are rationalizing? Rationalizing denominator. Okay, you are rationalizing the denominator. After that you get this, after that this, and this is your right hand side. Okay, and at the end you can say hence prove that whatever it was asked. Fine, this is the way how you proceed for the question. Fine. Any confusion? Any confusions? Any questions? Yes. Okay. Okay. That means we will proceed for the next one, right? Wait. Okay. Can you people do this question? Come on, tell me. This is cos 45 divided by secant of 30 degree plus 1 by secant of 60 degree. Very easy. These are all standard angles which are given. What is cos 45? That is 1 upon root. Now see, now see. What I told you in the beginning, that you can go for either proving question or for this question. See, most of the people, they don't remember this formulas. Suppose they don't remember this trigonometric ratios. Now, when I got this answer, I'm damn sure that I have done my question correct, right? This was my point, that if the proving question is doing, and you know both of them, this approach for the proving question, because in the proving question, you're damn sure that the result what you got, that's your right hand side. That means my I 100% question is done. Now the silly mistakes that needs to be avoided, obviously. Okay. And secant of 30 degree, that is cos of 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2. This will be 2 by root 3. Okay, plus this is 1 upon secant of 60 degrees, that is cos of 60. Okay, what will be that? This is 1. Fine. Is that okay? Is that okay? I think we can go for this thing. Wait. It is secant or it's sine? Wait. I think it's 2, right? Yes, Vector. Okay, sorry. Craft. You can go for it now. Okay. Any confusion in it? Any confusion in it? I think this option is here. You can go for it now after. Okay. Now this is the next question. This is the next question. ABC, D, E, F are the points on AB, BC, CA, and AB. Okay. This is a triangle. Okay. This is ABC. Fine. This is ABC. Right? Okay. Fine. The D, E, and F, this is here D, this is here E, and this is here F. Fine. Other points on this, such that AD is bisecting angle A, and this is bisecting angle C, and this is bisecting angle E. Okay. Now, if AB is equal to 5 centimeter, okay, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, fine, and BC is equal to 8 centimeter, and CA is equal to 4 centimeter. Now tell me, determine AF, CE, and BD. Come on, tell me how to do it. It's very easy concept. And I have told you in the beginning, if the angle bisectors will be there, how to proceed for the question. If the angle bisectors are given. Yes. Come on, tell me. Tell me how to do it. Okay. See, as I told you, solution. The internal angle bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of sides containing the angle. What does that mean? That means if I take angle A, okay, I will say AD bisects angle A. What does that mean? How I will apply this term? This term says, since AD is bisecting angle A, this means that BD over DC, that's BD over DC, it is dividing the opposite sides in the ratio of the angle sides containing this angle. That is equal to, yes, that will be equal to, if I take this as an angle, right, this as an angle, this will be equal to, this angle A will be equal to, come on, tell me. This will be equal to AB over AC, because this angle A is contained by AB over AC, right? Is that clear? Fine. Now, what is BD? What is BD? You can take the BD, you can take BD in which form? You can take the BD. The BD can be took as BD as it is, and this DC can be written as, since this is 8 centimeter, can I write this as 8 minus BD? Okay, and this AB over AC. AB, how much is AB? That is 5. How much is AC? That is 4, right? And now go for the calculation, simple calculation. This is 4 times BD is equal to, yes, 40 minus 5 times BD. Is that so? This will turn that side. So 9 times BD is equal to 40. So BD is equal to 40 over 9. Okay, so this is your BD. Okay, you need the BD. Same is the case how you will get AF. How you will get AF. For AF, what you need to do, you can take this angle C, because this angle bisect, all of them are angle bisectors. Okay, so for this angle bisector, I will take AF over FB is equal to AC over CB, and AF can be written as it is, and FB can be taken as 5 minus AF. This is equal to, what is AC? That is 4. What is B? That is 8. Okay, go for it. You can get AFC as AF as well. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yes, Sarah. Is that okay? Any confusion? Any confusion? Now you can get AF here. After AF, you can apply the same formula to the CE as well. Right? Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay. Now see, this was again the same thing, that it is the question which you have to prove. Okay. This was the question which you have to prove. The same question which is given here, that you have to show something. So which question do you prefer? Come on, tell me. Which question do you prefer among the both? The question, the A part or the B part? Come on, tell me. Tell me. A part or the B part? Which question do you prefer? Since the OR part is given, which question do you prefer among the both? Will you do this or will you do this? First of all, I will show what is in the question number 2, what is given there. See, it is saying that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle, right? Let us suppose this is an isosceles triangle ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is an isosceles triangle circumscribed about a triangle. Okay, that means the triangle is inside. Okay, show that the BC is bisected at the point. Suppose I will take this point D, E, F. See how easy this question is. First of all, tell me, Om, you want to go for part A or part B? You're saying that I would prefer part A, this. You would prefer part A, this one, or this, it's or part. Yes, Sarah? Which part do you prefer over it? Tell me. There is equal weightage. See how easy this question was, how easy this question is. A. Okay. Your choice. See. First of all, wait. I will tell you. When you will get the no, I think most of you are scared of this, that I need to prove something. See, first of all, as AB, as I will say, AB is equal to AC, right? Because that is given. Now, AF is the tangent from the outer side. So can I say AF is equal to AE? Subtract both of them. Subtract. So I will say AB minus AF is equal to AC minus AE. So I will get AB minus AF. So I will get BF is equal to AC minus AE is equal to, yes, CE, isn't it? Take it first. Again, B is the tangent from the other point. So BF is equal to BD, isn't it? And CE is equal to CD. Is that okay or not? Is that so or not? So you can see B is the tangent for the outer side and C is the tangent from the outer angle. Since these two are equal, can I say these two are also equal, which implies BD is equal to CD. So BD will be equal to the CD. That means where it touches the circle, it is divided. Simple. What was that big issue in it? Which question do you find easy? Come on, tell me. Tell me now, which question do you find easy? The part one or part two? Sarang, Om. Let me know. Okay. Okay. This is your another question, and this carries from 26, from question 26, the each question carries 3 marks. Okay. This is the section C. Fine. The area of a rectangular plot is 582. 528, sorry. 528. Okay. This is the area. Okay. The length of a plot is one more than twice its breadth. Okay. Is one more than twice its breadth. So let us suppose if breadth is equal to x, so the length will be one more than twice its breadth. Simple. We need to find the length and the breadth. So how to get it? How to get it? Since the area is equal to x into 2x plus 1, this is equal to 582, right? So this will be equal to 2x square plus x minus 582 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Go with the quadratic formula. The x is equal to minus b plus minus root of, yes, b square minus 4 a c divided by 2a. Okay. This will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root of, this is 1 minus 582 into 8. This will be equal to 8. 580, 528. How much it is? It is 528, sorry. 528. I took it wrong. 528. Okay. This will be equal to 4226. Okay. So when this will be equal to 4226 divided by 2, that is 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. This will be equal to negative 1 plus minus root of, wait, 2 to 4. This is 4, 2, 2, 5. Okay, because negative, negative, positive. This is equal to 4. Okay, so what are the two roots? So 2 to 5 negative plus root of this is equal to 65. This is negative 1 plus minus 65 divided by 4. That's negative 1 plus 65 divided by 4. Negative 1, negative 65 divided by 4. Obviously, this value will not work because that is the length. And this is 64 divided by 4. That is 16. So 16 is the length. Fine. Is that thing clear? So you have to write here. And one more thing. I just suggest one thing here for you people. I suggest one thing here for you people, that most of the times what you will do, as I have also seen, that you have you find the value of x is equal to 16, and you find the value of breadth, that breadth is equal to 33. Okay, sorry, breadth is equal to 33, and length, which is x, that's breadth is equal to 33, and length was equal to 33. But what you do at the end, when you find the value of x as 16, but you don't actually mention at the end that what are the initials that you got. So in the end, you write the length is equal to, that is 2 into x plus 1, that is equal to 33, and breadth is equal to 16, right? Do write this at the end. Is that okay? Is that okay? Come on, tell me how to do this question. This is one of the one more question of the triangles. Tell me how to do it. See, ABC and DBC, ABC, DBC are on the same side AC, and DBC are on the same side, this side BC, right? As shown in the figure. The point P on BC, the point P on BC, PQ is parallel. This PQ is parallel to AB. That means what you can do, you can use the BPT, that's basic proportionality theorem. Okay, and PR is parallel to BD. Here you can also use the basic proportionality theorem. Now you need to know that QR is parallel to AD. So the things itself suggests that you have to use the basic proportionality theorem, and at the end you have to use the converse of it. Okay, how many of you can do it? Come on, tell me. Yeah, come on, do it. See, first thing that you can do here, what you can do, first of all, mention the triangle. Mention the triangle in triangle ABC. This is the triangle first, because you can't just apply the things without knowing the which triangle you are applying. Okay, so first of all, you have to mention in triangle ABC, BCA, or CAB, whatever it is. You will write PQ is parallel to AB, right? First of all, mention the triangle. After that, you can apply your basic proportionality theorem by BPT, or you can say Thales theorem. By Thales theorem, what you can say, that PC over PB is equal to CQ over QE, isn't it? This is the first. Okay. Also, in triangle BCD, this BCD is a triangle, and PR is parallel to BD. PR is parallel to BD. So what you can do, again, you can apply the basic proportionality theorem, that is by Thales theorem. Thales theorem, you can say CP, isn't it, over PB is equal to, yes, it is CR over RD. CR over RD. Fine. Okay. Is that thing okay? Now, equate these two. I will say from first and second. If you will take these two, CQ over QA is equal to CR over RP, RD. Okay, this is CQ, QA. See, take this triangle. This is C, this is D, this is A. Okay, this is R, this is Q. CR over RD is equal to CQ over QD. Can I say by converse of Thales theorem, QR is parallel to QD? Okay, now a most important thing that I want to tell you, most important. See, here I know that this theorem is known as the Thales theorem. So I have written here by Thales theorem. Okay. So I have written here. So what you people do in the exams, you just write this thing and directly write this without quoting the thing from which you have got it. Okay. So if you don't remember the statement of if you don't write that, know the title of the Thales theorem, write the statement or write how you got it. Right, in the previous theorem, I used that the internal bisector of an angle divides the opposite sides in the ratio of the sides which are containing them. So I have given the whole statement. Same you have to give here. Okay, don't go like this that you will write here and just move. Okay, is that okay? Is that okay? Any confusion? Yes. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next question. See, again, here we have two questions all. Okay, very easy question. The question 28, I will just give you the hint how to do it. Okay, because time does not permit to do it all. Suppose you have a triangle ABC. Okay, you have a triangle ABC. Fine. ABC is a triangle. Fine. And the coordinates of A are given as 5, 5. The coordinates of B are given as 1, 5, and coordinates of C are given as 1, 9. Okay, so that whatever the thing you need to find, you can find it. Okay, so it is given that this is a triangle. Okay, one more thing is given, that there is a line intersects AB at P and AC at Q. That means there is a line. I don't know, this line is parallel, this line is not parallel to this, I don't know. So this is a P and this is Q, which is intersecting here. Okay, see, such that AP over PB, AP over AB is equal to AQ over AC is equal to 3/4. See, I have a question to you here. Since I have given this, so what I will do, I will find AP over PB, so that I will get the ratio in which point P divides the line side AB. How can I get it? How can I get it? See, for that thing, what I will do, I have this AP. Okay, I will write this AB is equal to AP plus PB. This can be written as AQ. This side AC can be written as AQ plus QC. This is equal to 3/4. Simple, isn't it? Okay, now take this one. AP plus PB is equal to 3/4, right? Okay, so AP is equal 4 times AP is equal to 3 times AP plus 3 times PB, right? So this is AP is equal to 3 times PB. So AP over PB is equal to, yes, AP over PB is equal to 3/1. That means this point cuts it in the ratio of 3:1. Got it. Same will be for P. This cuts in the ratio of 3:1. Now, if it cuts in the ratio of 3:1, now can you find the coordinate of P? Can you find the coordinate of P? Can you find the coordinate of Q? If you find the coordinate of P, if you find the coordinate of Q, then use the distance formula between them. Is that okay? Is that okay or not? Come on, tell me. Tell me in the chat fast. Is that okay? Is that okay, people? Fine. Okay. So you can do it. Okay. Now the next question is the OR form of it. Okay. 0 and 3, these are the two vertices of an equilateral triangle. Very easy question. I prefer if this type of question comes, just do this and leave the other one. Okay. 0, 3, and this is the equilateral triangle. Okay. Find the coordinates of third vertex. Okay. Let us suppose the coordinates of the third vertex is 0, okay. Let us suppose it is 0, -3. It is let us suppose it is 0, 3. This will be both on the y-axis. Okay. Suppose it is there. Okay. This is your triangle. Fine. Now, first of all, tell me this distance. Can you get it? This distance. Can you get it? You can equate these two distance and equate it to distance. Get this answer. Get the answer of the third vertex. Very easy. Very easy thing. Okay. Again saying, find the distance between AB, C. AB is equal to BC. Fine. And this is equal to AC as well because this is an equilateral triangle. Fine. Okay. This is done, right? Okay. Question 29. Simple. You have been doing from very long time that how this is an irrational number. Okay. How this is an irrational number. So prove that this is an irrational number. 3 plus root of 2 is irrational number. Okay. How? If possible, suppose it is a rational. Suppose let 3 plus root of 2 be rational. Okay. But if I add or subtract it with another rational number, it should be rational. Okay. So 3 plus root of 2 minus another rational number 3. So it should be rational as well. So I got root of 2. This is equal to, is that rational? No. That means our supposition is wrong, which implies 3 plus root 2 is irrational. Okay. Simple. Okay. Fine. Let's move to next. This is the next question. Easy question. Come on, tell me how to do it. Bolo. Let me know how to do it. See, this is given as 60. The angle of depression from that means you need to find this angle. Okay. And you can find this angle as well. Okay. How to get it? How to get it? This is 60. See, you can easily say this angle A. This angle A, let us suppose this is X. So I can say X plus 60 plus 90 is equal to 180, isn't it? So X is equal to 180 minus 150 degree. Okay, so X I got is 30 degree. If X is 30 degree, this will be 15 degree, right? Okay, now I need to find angle O2 as well. So obviously this is 45, this is 90 degree, this will be also 45. The question is done. So just prefer the easy questions to do. Okay, now the next question. The tower, see, it is given that the tower height is 50-meter high. Okay, let us suppose I will take a tower. This is P and this is Q. This is 50-meter in the height. Okay, and it is shadow X meter. When the sun is at the altitude of 45, when it is 30 degree, find the value of x. Okay, it's saying that it's 45 degree, and again it's here 30 degree, right? What's the question saying? The tower is 50-meter high. Okay, this is PQ. Let us suppose this is point A and this is point B, right? Okay, now this is the very important thing for you people to know. If this is 45, the perpendicular and base are always equal. So this is also 50 degree. Note it. You have to find the value of x. The value of x is given like this, right? See, the given thing is this figure is not attached here. So I just forgot to put the figure here. So it is 50 degree here. So you need to get this as well. So this will be also 50 degree. You need to find the value of x. This is easy now. Come on, tell me which trigonometric function are you going to apply to find the value of x? Tell me fast. Tell me fast, which trigonometric function are you going to apply to find the value of x here? Can anyone tell me why AP is equal to 50 as well? Because AP is not given as 50. Only this PB is given as 50. How can you people let me know that AP is equal? Sarang. Yes, because tan 45 is equal to 1. Simple. Okay. Now you're going to use here tan 30, isn't it? Why? Because the perpendicular and base, they have the attachment, they have the relationship between them. So tan 30 is equal to 50 over x plus 50. Okay, go for it. That's it. 1 upon root 2. Okay, you can get the answer. Fine. Now the next question, which I was saying that this is the question which is time consuming most of the time. See, most of the times this question is very much time consuming. So I prefer you people, if you do this type of question in the examination, just do it in the beginning. In the first instance, do it. Okay, so this is the, you have to find the median. What's the formula for the median? Come on, tell me. What's the formula for the median? L plus, yes, n by 2 minus CF, yes, whole divided by F into H, right? Okay. First of all, I will write the cumulative frequency of all of them. I will write here as well, here only. What is the cumulative frequency of all of them? This is 250. Okay. What will be this? 250 plus this one. Okay. What is that? 1, so 490. Okay. 490 plus this is, no, 490, 440. Okay. This is 540. Okay. This will be 580. Okay. This will be 595. And this will be 600. So total number of the terms here are 600. Okay. Now tell me, what is the median? Median class. So this is 600 over 2. That is equal to 300th term. Where is the 300th term? Okay. Where is the 300th term? Which class is 300th term? Tell me. Isn't it this? The cumulative frequency between 250 to 400. The 300 lies after this. So this is the median class. Okay. This is the median class. L means the lower limit of the median class, that is 1000. Okay. N means how many number of the total terms you have. So you have 600. Okay. And one more thing that you need, that is cumulative frequency of the previous class. That means if this is the frequency class, this is the total number of the families, this is the frequency class, this is the cumulative frequency. What is the cumulative frequency of previous class? Because this is the cumulative frequency you have find the previous class, that is 250, right? Okay. What is the frequency here? What is the frequency of this class? Frequency means this, that is 990. Okay. One more thing. What is the next thing that you need to do? What is the height of this class? H means height, that is 2000 minus 1000. This is equal to 1000. So use the formula. So median will be equal to, I will tell you one more thing where the people are doing the mistake here. 1000 plus, although all of you people have done this question correctly in your mocks. Okay, this is 190, sorry, it's 1000. Okay, multiplied by 1000, you can get the answer after this. See, one question I want to tell you here, that as I have gone through your papers, what you people are doing, you are doing this question without drawing this table. So so I advise you that when you are going through this question, first of all, make the table. Okay, make this table, and after that, you can proceed with the question. Is that okay? Fine. Okay, very nice. You can get the value after that. Okay, next question. Since I told you that we have, wait. See, I will make the formulas here. The father's age is added if twice the son's age in years is added to the father's age. The sum is 70, but the twice the father's is added. First of all, write the conditions. What is the father's age? Left the father's age is equal to x. Okay, sons will be y, right? Okay, what is the first condition? That the son's age, if the son's age in years to the father's age, if twice the son's age to the father's age, that is 70, right? This is the first condition. What is the next condition? If twice the father's age is added to the son's age, that is twice the father's age is added to the son's age, that you will get the answer as 95. Okay, now you need to add it. You need to do by, this is the simple linear equation in two variable. And remember one more time, remember to do one more thing, that at the end, when you will get the value of x and when you will get the value of y, try to write the things that this is the father's age and this is the son's age. So I can get it by 40 and 15, 30, 40, 15. So x is equal to 40. By trial and error, you can get this as 50, because you can see it satisfies both of the things, right? You can do it, but apply the proper method, apply the cross multiplication, apply the substitution, apply the elimination. Whichever method it is applicable, you can go for it. See, one more question. See, this is a little bit very tough, you can say. The students of the class are made to sit in the row. Okay, if three students are extra in a row, extra means that means they are added to the row, then the rows will be less by one. Okay, let us say, let students be x. Okay, rows be y. Okay, what's the first condition? If so, can I say in each row how many total students in a row? How many it will be? Total students in a row. Come on, tell me. How many students will be in one row? How many students will be in a one row? Come on, tell me. How many students will be in one row? See, these are the total students. These are the total number of the rows. Isn't it x by y? First condition. First condition. It is saying that if the three students are extra in a row and then the row is less than 3, okay, there would be, the row will be less than 1. Okay, that means by the first condition, total number of the rows plus 3. If 3 students are extra in a row, okay, total students in a row plus 3 students extra, this is equal to the number of the rows minus 1. Okay, simple, fine. So what are the total number of the students? Same. What is the total number of the students? Number of rows multiplied by, sorry, number of students multiplied by number of rows. That is x over y plus 3 multiplied by y minus 1. This is the one condition. Next condition is if 3 are the less of number of the students. Second condition I will write here. Second condition, if x total number of the students in a row are subtracted by 3, then there will be 2 more rows. So the rows will be, these are the students in a row, then the rows will be y minus 2. Y minus 2 or y plus 2? Y plus 2. And here by the second condition, x means total number of the students will be equal to number of rows as well. Fine. You can equate these two and get the solution. Okay. Okay. Fine. See, one more question you have, that you have to get a circle with the center O. Okay, this is a circle with the center O. Fine. This is tangent from the external points. Obviously, these two tangents will be equal, right? This is 90 degree, this will be also 90 degree. Okay, this is a line joining over them. You have to show ABCD, this quadrilateral is a cyclic. Obviously, when sum of these two will be 90, first, sum of these two will be 90, that means sum of these two will be also 90. So this is proved cyclic. Okay, but how you will show this? You don't have to say that angle 1 is 90. You will write here angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because perpendicular from the, radius from this, radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. You need to write it here. Radius is perpendicular to tangent at point of contact. You need to mention it here. Fine. Simple. After this part is proved. You can do it. Now, PO is bisector. That means if it is 2, if it is 3, and if it is 4, I will say these two triangles are congruent. How? Because two lines, this is equal to this, and this is the line which is obviously common. But for each side, you will get the reason. For example, you will tell AO is equal to OB. Why? The radius. Okay. AP is equal to PB. Why? Tangent from external point. Okay, this needs to be mentioned to each and every step. Okay, so this part is also proved. Simple. Now, what is the third one? What is the last part? That angle OAB, that means this OAB, this one, okay, is equal to angle OPA, this angle. So angle 1 is to be equal to angle 5. How is to be, this is to be done? Now see, if I draw a triangle here, OAB, this angle, not angle 1, OAB, this angle, OAB. Fine. If I draw a triangle here, can I say this is angle X and this is angle Y? So angle X is equal to angle Y. Why? Because this is an isosceles triangle. Fine. This is an isosceles triangle. And this angle O. Also, I can say that angle O plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle O is also equal to 180 degree. I can equate these two. Angle X plus angle Y is equal to angle P. Angle x plus angle y plus angle O is equal to angle O plus angle P. Angle O will go. X is equal to y. So I will write 2 times x angle. 2 times, yes, what I can write? 2 times of angle x, because this is equal to x, is equal to angle P, right? Is that okay? Since angle P, half of angle P is equal to angle 5. Simple. So I can write 2 times angle x is equal to 2 times of angle 5. This and this will go. So angle x is equal to angle 5. That means angle OAB is equal to angle AT. Simple. Okay. Is this thing clear? Next question. This is easy question. So these are the two farmers. Circular plots are there. Or plots are watered in the area. So the area is 130 pi. Okay. The distance between their centers is this. That is R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 is given as 14. So you can find the value of one of the R1. One of the R1 can be found. That means you can use this one. R1 is equal to 14 minus R. You can use this. Okay. Now, the area of these two, that is two circles, that is pi R1 square plus pi R2 square is equal to 130 pi. I can take pi common. This is R1 plus R2 square is equal to 130. Isn't it? Now in place of R1, can I write 14 minus R2 whole square plus R2 whole square is equal to 130. Get the value of R1 and get the value of R2. By, see, this is the actual figure. Okay. You can see which one is greater. Is R1 greater or R2 greater? Simply you can proceed for the question. You can proceed for the question. Is there anyone who wants me to yeah, Sarang, Om, yes, crafts, everyone else, can you people do this after this? Come on, tell me. Everyone else over there, can you people do after this? Okay, see, you can find R2. Accordingly, you can find R1 as well, right? Suppose there is a circle. Next part. It is 90 degrees at the center. Fine. And this is the chord which is joined. Find the minor segment. How to find the minor segment? Area of a minor segment, that is theta divided by 360 into pi r squared, isn't it? Theta, it is 90 divided by 360, okay, into pi. What is r square? R. The chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends angle at the of radius 10 centimeter. That means it is 10 square. Go for it, you will find the radius. How to find the major segment? Major segment, this means this whole part. The area of a circle minus area of a minor segment. That I write area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay. Minor segment. How to find the area of a minor segment? Come on, tell me. How to find the area of a minor segment? Oh, sorry. This is the sector. This one is the sector. Sorry. This one is the sector. I was finding I thought it's segment. It is the sector. I'm talking of the sector. Okay. So area of a minor segment is only this. Now, how to find the area of a segment? Segment means this part. Okay. Segment means this part. How to find the area of a segment? This is the area of a triangle minus area of a sector. Area of a major segment, that is the rest of the part. Okay. Okay. This can be done accordingly. You can do this. Okay, fine. Now, this is the probability question. This is the probability question. Very easy question. See, it's given that I actually want to show you some questions from the passage part. First of all, let's have this. See, a bag contains 15 balls, which X are blue and the remaining are red. So can you tell me how many are red? 15 minus X. Simple. If the number of the balls are increased by 5, then the probability of drawing. Now I have to increase the number of the balls by 5. Okay. Now the probability of drawing the red balls doubles. Okay, fine. That means the probability of finding the red balls that doubles. Okay. Now initially, what is the probability of the red balls? That is 5 minus X. These are the red balls. So probability of red balls, that is R1 means initially. This is 15 minus X divided by total number of the balls, that's 15. Okay. Now if 5 balls are added, 5 balls are added. So total red balls will be R2. That is 20 minus X. So probability of R2 will be equal to 20 minus X divided by 20, isn't it? After the red balls they are given. So it is saying, so initially what was the probability, and after that what is the probability? The probability after that is twice. So 15 minus X divided by 15 is equal to 20 minus X divided by 20. But it gets twice. Which one gets twice? That this one gets twice. Simple. Find the value of X. Okay. Now see. Now we are coming to the most important part of this paper solution. That is the passage part. Okay. See, how many of you are see, this is the first passage. First of all, what I will suggest to you people, that whenever you go for a passage question, first of all, write, read the whole question. Okay. After that, you can get the things whatever you want. See, the sail, the sky sails technology allows the town kite to gain a height of anything between 100 meters to 200 meters. That means height is between this. Okay. Now, see, this is the triangle which is being made. This is the telescope. You can read the question. First of all, read the question. Read the question, and this is most important thing in this passage. The sail sky is the genre of the engineering science that used extensive utilization of the wind to move. See, this all things needs to be learned. Needs to be first read. After that, you can proceed for the question. In the given figure, this is theta. The sine theta is equal to this. That theta is theta minus 30 is an acute angle. Find the value of theta. Very easy. How? Because sine of theta is equal to cos of theta minus 30. Now see, since I can't equate the cos and sine with same time, but I can equate with their complementary angles. That means that I can put the sine as cos of 90 minus theta. This is equal to cos of theta minus 30, right? Cos and cos will go. This is 90 minus theta is equal to theta minus 30, and this goes here. This is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree divided by 2, so theta is equal to 60 degree. Simple. That's the answer. Okay, next, what should be the length of the rope of a kite in order to pull the ship at the angle of theta? Okay, vertical height be 200 meters. Vertical height is given to be 200 meters. You have to find AC. Okay, which trigger function to be used? This is 200. You have to find this. Obviously, sine theta. This is equal to 200 over AC. What is AC? How much it is to be calculated? What is the angle? First of all, tell me what is the angle. The angle you have calculated from this thing. So sine of 60 degree is equal to 200 divided by AC. So AC is equal to 200 divided by, what is sine of 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, so this is equal to 400 divided by root 3. You can get the answer. In the figure, sine theta is equal to cos 3 theta. Same procedure, same procedure. Okay, or do the or part of it, or says that what should be this. Listen, this or part is not for this whole thing and this whole thing. No, this or part is actually the or part for your third part only, nothing more than that. This or part is for your third question. Okay, you can do either this part or either this part. Okay, what is the length of a rope of a sky this kite sail? In order to pull the ship at the angle of theta calculated above, be the vertical angle height as 150. Now simple, the height is given to be, now height is given to be 30 degree. Okay, height is given to be 30 degree. Wait, calculated above. Calculated above means whatever the theta you have calculated, you can use it here and get the height. Okay, here it is not 200, it is 150. Next question is C. Also easy question, also one of the easy question. कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें, बस देख लो. Listen. First of all, see what is given. What's it giving in the description? It is saying that the TV sets has been demand every time due to the COVID-19 and not getting sufficient parts like this. They have to work. This is the thing which is being given. Okay, they produce 600 sets in third year. Okay, and 700 sets in seventh year, assuming that the production is increasing uniformly in the fixed number every year. So can you tell me which concept I should use here? Sarang, which part? Sarang, which part? Sorry, I was not able to see your chat. You can use that 90 minus theta in order to change that in the cos theta. Because I need to change them in the same part. See, you have sine of theta that is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. And on the other hand, you have given as cos of what was that in the previous question? It was theta minus something. Okay. So on the other hand, that's why I used to convert. See, it is find an increasing, see, it is increasing fixed every time. So can you tell me which concept I have to use here? Yes, AP. Okay, and in the third year, that means A3 is equal to 600. That is A plus 2D is equal to 600. Okay, and A7 is equal to 700. That means A plus 60 is equal to 700, isn't it? Now you can find the value of A on equating these two. Okay, subtract these two, you will get 4D is equal to 100 and D is equal to 25. Okay. See, find an increase in the production every year. So every year they have to give it. Now, they produce 600 sets in the third year and the 700 in the seventh year, assuming that the production uniform, in which year it will be 1000. In which year it will be 1000. So you have to equate AN is equal to 1000, find the value of N. First of all, you need to find the value of A. You can get the value of A from here. isn't it? Okay. Now the next part. I think next part is also easy. The production 600 sets in third and this in the seventh year, assuming that the production is uniformly. Find the total production in the seventh year. Find the total production in the first 7 years. That means you have to find the sum of first 7 years as 7. That is equal to 2a n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or you can use n by 2 a plus, that is first in the a7. That's the last, isn't it? A plus the formula I will write here, n by 2 a plus l. That's the last. This can be also used. 600 sets in the third year, 750 in the seventh year, assuming that the production uniformly increases fixed year, find the production in the 10th year. That means you need to find A10. Simple. That's A plus 90. But see, here, there is one important thing that I need to tell you. Every person in this, what you have done in your mocks, they have found, let us suppose A10 is equal to something, let us suppose some number, and Sn is equal to some number, but they have forgot to write at the end the total production in 10th year. See, whatever it is being asked, you need to mention that at the end, that this is the thing which I got. Okay, so don't forget that. Don't forget to write that thing at the end, because that is really necessary, because that says you what you are actually trying to find. Okay. Okay, see, this is the ice cream cone, the last question. Fine. So it is given that the ice cream cone is a uniform circular cone and the hemisphere, and the height of a cone is 9 centimeter. Okay, the radius of a base is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, her purchased brick ice cream length 9 centimeter, width 3 centimeter, and thickness 2 centimeter. Her brother, this is the for cone, and this is for brick. Length is 9, breadth is 4, or you can say width and thickness is 2, you can say height is 2. Okay, fine. Now volume of a cone without the hemisphere, that means without this ice cream on the top, you have to find the volume of a cone. How to find the volume of a cone? Yes, volume of ice cream without hemispherical end. How to find the volume of a cone without hemispherical end? Tell me. Volume of the ice cream without the hemispherical end. What's the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. You have pi, you have h, you have r, you have everything. You can get it. Volume of ice cream cone with hemispherical end. That means for second part, what you need to do, 1 by 3 pi r square h plus hemispherical end. So that means you need to add this thing. So what is the height in the hemisphere? You can see the radius will be equal to, see, height is 9, that's given. But for the hemispherical end, what you need to do at the end? What is the hemispherical end, this volume? Isn't that 2 by 3 pi r cube? Volume of the ice cream with hemispherical end. Use this at this as well, get the answer. Fine. Wait. I'm just checking your chat. Yes, people. Okay, yes. Very nice. Okay. Whose quantity of the ice cream is more and how much? This is the quantity in the brick. Okay. This is the quantity in the ice cream. And whose quantity is more? You have to find it out. How can you find it? Find the quantity of the ice cream and find the quantity of the ice cream in the brick. You can get it. How to find the quantity of the ice cream in the brick? That is volume in cone minus volume in brick. Okay, get it? Find the volume of our brother's ice cream. How to find it? Hmm? Brick, use the things, you can get it. Okay, see, just a moment. Just a moment. Yeah. So remember one more thing. In these type of questions, in these type of questions, as I told you, you can do the pattern like you can do the pattern like, first of all, go for these type of questions, that is this mm, short answer type, or 4 markers, or 5 markers. After that, you can proceed to the 3 markers or 2 1 markers. See, the only thing that I wanted to tell you here, that the procedure how to approach for your paper. See, every one of you can be able to do these questions, but the approach that I have seen for you people in the your test papers, that were entirely different, and some people were not knowing how to proceed with this. Okay, so these, see, I have shown you at the end some questions from the this passage part, and as we have observed that you people are doing one thing, that after writing the whole stuff, you don't write, for example, whatever the volume of the ice cream I got for the brother. For example, I got for the volume, it is X. When you find the value, you just put it as it is. But at the end, you should write that whatever it is being asked, because this passage, this is a theoretical part of question. You need to find, you don't have to find this thing, X or any variable. You need to find the whole thing. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Any confusions? You can let me know. Any confusions? Come on, tell me. Any confusions? Let me know. Sarang, home. Yeah. So is this okay? Is this okay? See, tomorrow we will come up with one more session of this mock session. Okay, we will discuss one more paper, and you also please be ready with your copy and the pen and do sidewise along with it. And any other, like, anything else that you want to ask, any confusions that you want to ask, we are here for your help. Okay, so doing question is not a big deal, but we are actually trying to show you what is the approach of the question, what is the approach for the problem to proceed, and how you can proceed the problem to minimize the loss that you are actually doing by doing the silly mistakes, not writing the not writing the solutions properly. So the best part to write the solution properly is to write the reasons as well, along with your the whatever you are putting your this claims that this side is equal to that side or else. Okay, so solutions need to be right in the proper. Okay, fine. Is this all for today? Okay, is this all for today? Okay, take care. Bye bye. Bye. Thank you so much.